What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today I'm going to show you how to select visible cells. Now what is that? So when you're using a data set, if you try to go ahead and filter it, so I'm going to use my shortcut Alt-A-T, and I'm just going to filter for the user type to be subscribers. So notice now that I have rows that are hidden, right? It jumps from 2 to 7. That's how you know that you have a hidden indication, right? You do the same thing for columns as well. You notice how it jumps from A to C. So that lets me know that things are hidden. So now if I'm trying to copy, see how these are all selected right now? I'm just holding down and clicking, and these all seem to be selected as one. If I use select visible cells, which is a shortcut for that is actually doing Alt semicolon. And actually you can kind of see how it went from a whole amount to there's these white little spaces in between, kind of indicating that these they're skipping the cells that are hidden. So now if I do Control C and I copy it, you actually see the lines in between each of these, and I'm free to paste. So the thing is, I'm using 2019 of Excel, and the thing is, from this version up, I don't believe that this is actually a problem anymore. So if I actually hit escape, unclick this, if I hold the click and then do Control C, you see that the lines here are being selected as well. So the thing is, it doesn't seem to be that much of an issue for more recent versions of Excel. However, if you're using anything prior to 2019, it might be good for you to know that shortcut. So the shortcut for it, if you hold the mouse and do Alt semicolon, that's one way to do it. If you want to be able to do select visible cells, actually what you can do is right click the ribbon up top, customize, Excel options, see what says choose commands from. Instead of popular commands, go to all commands, and then you go all the way down to select, S for select. Oh, it is here. Okay, and here it is. And I already edited it to mine because that's something I like to have, but I don't even think you really need it. Just got to make sure when you add it, you have to actually add a new group or a new tab. You can't just add it into any of the current stuff, unfortunately. Then you just hit OK. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Because you can't actually, what you still can't do actually is if you try to copy, if I do Alt semicolon and I try to paste, yeah, I get an error. So one trick that I've seen is actually trying to do equals, select cell, and I do equals, what is it? Instead of clicking it, I do equals D7, and I hit Control Enter. Anything I already had highlighted, Control Enter will automatically fill in that formula for me. So when I get rid of if I do Alt-AT again to get rid of the filter, you see that it enters in with spaces. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Real quick video. Again, this might not be as relevant nowadays, but it is still good to know, especially if you're using an older version of Excel.